here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. Just mixing up my solution for this morning. I'll be using carpet detail. I'm doing some umbrella type material, I believe, for a local winery, wine tasting. I did a few of these in the area already. It seems like they're calling because the season is coming. So I've been using carpet detail for the cleaning, and it works really well. And I do some good agitation with my scrubber over here. See, it's a two-man job. I'm gonna have Aaron with me today, and he's gonna be pre-spraying and scrubbing ahead of me while I'm extracting. And you'll see how it works. Beautiful day today. Starting a little bit earlier today. Try to get ahead of the tasting crowd. I think it's about 60 cushions I'm doing. And we're gonna see how well I quote it over the phone. I usually don't quote over the phone, but she sent some pictures and gave me the number, and I should be able to get these done within about 2.5 hours. And if it takes any longer, I underbid it. So yeah, I already mixed up the carpet detail. Now I'm just going to fill the rest up with hot water. I will see you at the job. Alright, so got the motor all started up. Ran the hoses. And we're going to be doing a whole lot of cushions. Ran to the limit pretty much on my length. So Aaron's going to be treating it and then scrubbing it, and over here I'm going to be extracting using my dry tool here, These are all the cushions. So we're hoping it takes about 2 minutes a piece to do the whole cleaning. If so, then I did a good bit. So we'll find out. If I run into any wine stains or anything like that, I've got my spotter right here, my spotter kit. So, all right, stay tuned. Finished up. Took about 2.5 hours to do the job. That's with me and Aaron, but it took me twice that. So it's definitely worth paying a guy to help you out on doing upholstery and large jobs like this. As you can tell, they look good. They look great. Look like new again. The customer already came out and checked it out. The bottom parts when we were done with it, and she was happy with the job. Looks like my quote was pretty good. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. This is Robert Hall Winery in Paso Robles, 46. Beautiful place. Really nice people. So if you're in the area, hey, you like wine, check it out. Nice venue. Alright, see you in the next video. Oh yeah, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget that. Alright. See you next video.